So hello everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma, legal advisor at Lexis and Company. So in a previous video, what we discussed is about the meaning of trademark. So in this video, we're gonna discuss like how to defend your trademark या आप अपने ट्रेडमार्क को कैसे डिफेंड कर सकते हैं अगर वो इन्फ्रिंज हुआ है तो बाय अ पर्सन. सो अ ट्रेडमार्क इज सेट टू बी इंट्रोडक्शन क्या है, कब एक ट्रेडमार्क इन्फ्रिंज होता है. ट्रेडमार्क इज सेट टू बी इन्फ्रिंज व्हेन अ पर्सन अदर देन द रजिस्टर्ड प्रोप्राइटर इन द कोर्स ऑफ ट्रेड इन रिलेशन टू द सेम गुड और सर्विसेज फॉर विच द मार्क इज रजिस्टर्ड यूज़ करता है सेम मार्क को और रिस्पेक्टिवली सिमिलर मार्क को that is likely to confuse the mind of the public or is like to cause the impression of association with the registered trademark. There are some following types in which a trademark may be infringed. जैसे deception और confusion है as to goods. A person may buy the goods seeing a mark which he thinks belong to a particular brand but it doesn't. This is the most common type of confusion or deception. As in कि हम देखते हैं जैसे फर्स्ट कॉपी है सेकेंड कॉपी है कि हमें ऐसा लगता है उसको देख करके दैट वो उसी स्पेसिफिक ब्रांड को ही बिलोंग करता है बट इट डजंट. And confusion has to trading origin. A person by looking at a particular mark may think that it is coming from the same source as same other goods bearing a similar mark that he is familiar with. The deception or confusion is concerning the origin of the trade. Now the third type is confusion as to trade origin. Even though a person looking at the mark may not think that is the same as the one with a different brand in his mind. The similarity may make him believe that the two are connected in same way. So these are the types of trademark के जिसमें trademark में भी infringe हो सकता है. So see you guys, will see you super soon with new legal topics. Till now, thank you for watching us.